Good morning. I've already gotten ready for the day, obviously, and I was just about to say I'm going to give you a tour of my face, but that's not what I meant. I was going to give you what? I was going to show you my outfit. Okay. While we're on my face, so I have these cute little earrings, which I think I got last year. I think I did. They were in a video, I think, somewhere. But aren't they cute? And they match the little fox. This was actually a gift from my sister-in-law and my brother for Christmas, I think. I saw this when we went out to the mall together one day, and I just gushed over it, and then she like surprised me by getting this. So I think we got it at Macy's, and I did my makeup. My brows were, I'm having one of those brow days where I'm like, I'm not that happy about them, but they're also not the worst that I've ever done. I don't know if you ever have brow days where you're just like, but I kind of like my makeup. It's not bad. I changed the brown that I use in the crease. Instead of going for an orange color in my peach palette, I went for a darker brown, and I'm wearing, of course, my Coral Bliss. Not that much though on it. Anyway, wearing this sweater, wearing these dark jeans, and on that note, one, I need to go put some moisturizer on my hands because they feel so dry, and two, I need to go buy new jeans. Like, I just have to. I do this weird thing with jeans where I won't go buy them because whenever I think about buying them, I'm either bloated or I'm at a size that, you know, I'm just like, oh, I know I'm gonna like drop a couple pounds and I'd rather buy jeans then, and then I never buy jeans then. So that's a thing that happens for me every year of my life. My bed needs to be made, but I could tell that I slept pretty decent because I didn't really move from this side. I can always tell when the other side is kind of like untouched, and I didn't really move the blankets that much. Does that make any sense? But yeah, I'm still washing my pillow covers. Yes, I slept on my pillow without a pillow cover, I don't care. But I need to get those washed and get those up. Now the sheets, I have like backup sheets, but for some reason I don't have backup pillow covers. So the sheets are washed, and I just have like leftover stuff. And then that's a Dollar Tree haul that I'm going to film. Laundry, my daughter's laundry. I always start a pile right here of things that need to be recycled. But this house is super quiet, and I am going to just kind of make it come to life a little bit. So I'm going to probably put on one of my Christmas movies.
The heart of Christmas.
Okay, that's much better. All right, even though my stomach's hungry, but like I don't really care to eat, if that makes sense, but I have to because I need to take my antibiotic. So I'm gonna heat up a croissant and have a croissant with just some honey. Out of breath, and that's one of the things that really bothers me when I have my bronchitis, is like any little thing kind of puts me out of a breath. So I'm sorry about that. I mean, I'm not sorry about it, but it's kind of irritating to listen to, I guess. Okay, gonna turn that light off. Don't really need it because I'm not gonna really be in here, but otherwise I gave it a good vacuum. You guys know I vacuum on the daily. It was a lot harder to push the vacuum this time. I think it's kind of humid in here. And I'm not gonna light any candles right now. I was reading some of the comments in one of my last vlogs, or the last vlog that I left comments for, and a lot of you just were like, don't burn candles, it's not good for you. And I have to agree with that. So I'm gonna burn them sometimes, but I'm gonna try to give myself like a couple days off and not really burn anything. This is just leftover water. And the pile continues. This is a different view. Oh yeah, it is really humid. I'm also wearing a sweater, so that doesn't help, but all right, so I'm gonna take my antibiotic, and tomorrow's gonna be my last day. And this is nice and crispy. I just finished eating my croissant. I'm not really like a fan of eating on camera, even though I've done that in the past. It's just, I'm not like that. I'm not overly comfortable with that. Okay, now I'm gonna grab my lighting and I'm gonna go ahead and film my Dollar Tree haul. I have no idea at what point I stopped vlogging, but I did finish filming my Dollar Tree haul. That is my candy haul I gotta film next, but I don't know if that's gonna be today or not. I'm just coming to grab my tripod because I'm actually gonna start putting together a puzzle, and you know, thought I'd bring you along. All right, I am gonna do Warmth of Autumn. Okay, there's a Mattress Firm right there, but y'all, there's no one in that store. It's definitely money laundering. I don't know if you were able to see that clip. It was hard for me to tell if I actually got it, but there's a Mattress Firm. I'm at this light, and I've talked about this before just after watching, I think, Shane Dawson's video or some sort of conspiracy, but it was talking about mattress stores and how can they even stay in business, and they're everywhere. There's actually like one right here as well, and it's like, there's no one in these stores. No one buys mattresses on the daily. It's something you buy like every 10 years. So how the heck are you in business? Like, I just don't understand it. But yeah, anyway, so the whole conspiracy was that it's money laundering. It's just, the mattress is just a cover up basically to like make money look legit. But it's an interesting theory. Look it up, and if you're wondering what I'm talking about. But it's just funny, whenever I go by a mattress store, no one's there. Even on the weekends, like when you would think like that would be the time. But do the math, like just do the math on this. If you buy a mattress on average 8 to 10 years, and honestly, like shamefully, I don't even do that, okay? And how much money could they be making? All right, I'm at Dollar Tree now, got her uniform, except I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to vlog in there because my camera's dying, so I'm sorry about that, but I will show you whatever I get inside.